What's up, positive people? You got Dana here, and this is a good old-fashioned beauty box unboxing, particularly for Allure. This is actually going to be my first time opening up an Allure beauty box, but I sadly have to preface this with the fact that they have some of the hands down worst customer service that I've ever encountered with a damn beauty box. I signed up for this box back on December 28th. They sent out tracking numbers late. They were terrible about following up. According to them, I didn't give them the appropriate email information, which I updated with them to make sure that I received confirmation of my cancellation. And I still ain't got that yet, which says to me that maybe it's y'all's ain't asses. That's the reason why I can't get emails from y'all. Like, they're just the worst. So I'm pretty sure this is the December box because I didn't cancel quick enough. I also am getting the January box, so I'm hoping to open that up and move on with my life and never sign up for this box again. This box is normally $15 a month. I got one box for $8, and then, like I said, I have a January box coming for $15, and hopefully after that I won't be charged. Actually, I need to like double check and make sure that like I said, that I get some sort of a cancellation email from these. I was telling them like, hey, I got double charged for this box. And actually I had that happen with Birchbox, where because I signed up later at the end of the month, they double charged me essentially for the first box that I was receiving. When I hit up Birchbox about this same problem, they were able to resolve it over email within 24 hours. You call these people, you call Condé Nast, the people that own, Allure's. And not only are they nasty, not only do they keep you on hold for a long time, but the response that I got when I told them, hey, is it possible for me to get a refund, seeing as how I haven't gotten a box yet, but I've currently been charged for 2, they're just like, oh, no. Yeah, no, get over it. Like, that's just your loss. Like, that was the attitude. I ain't spending another dollar with y'all. However, I do want to make a check off unboxing this, so that's why we're here. So yeah, let's go ahead and open up the box, shall we? And the first thing I see here is the lovely Nikki Tutorials Beat Down. I guess this is a book that tells you kind of what's in here. So let's go ahead and go through it. But the first thing that I see is Miss Nikki on here. So here's the box. When you open it up, that's what it looks like. You got some little ribbon stuff. It's pretty well packaged, which I can appreciate. And yeah, let's get into the products. The first thing that I see here is from Caudalie. I never knew how to say this brand, but I've gotten stuff from them plenty of times and other things. This is a moisturizing sorbet for sensitive skin. Let's go ahead and put a little on, see what it does. See the consistency of it, all that fun stuff. Let's see. Yeah, feels like a moisturizer. Has that classic Caudalie old lady smell. All their stuff has the same smell. And if you don't believe me, Ipsy loves to throw this in bags, as well as when I used to do the beauty boxes through Sephora Play, they love to put this in there too. And as you can see, I'm about empty. It's a serum, pretty good serum. I've never paid full price for this, but I've gotten enough samples of it. It's legit if I ever decide to. I know it's legit. So yeah, excited about the Caudalie stuff. It's good. Always love their stuff. The next thing that I see here is a single sample of the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelette. Little travel guy. I guess you could throw this in your clutch for the evening. And yeah, I'm sure y'all could have afforded to give me, like, I don't know, a sample pack of 5 wipes. I just don't understand wasting the money on packaging this little bite-sized towelette so I could sample it. Y'all could have literally put like a thin pack of Neutrogena, like a 5-pack underneath here that like would serve more of a purpose. But whatever, I got a snack pack of moist towelettes there. The next thing that I see is from Ren Clean Skincare. This is the Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm, again for sensitive skin. It says to use melt balm with fingertips and gently massage onto clean dry skin until absorbed. Skin type sensitive reactive skin. So apparently this stuff this is for sensitive skin, so I look forward to trying that tonight. Oh, here's something that I needed. This is actually something that I needed. Shouts out to Allure. I've been meaning to go and get a higher end waterproof mascara. Not waterproof mascara, waterproof eyeliner. The eyeliner that I currently use is literally like a $4 Forever 21 eyeliner that doesn't last that long. But because I'm learning how to properly apply eyeliner, I figured that was a great place to start. But this one is from Architect, and it is the waterproof slim eyeliner. Go ahead and take the packaging off this also. Shout out to packaging that lets me know that these items haven't been used. Love that. Love it when I'm the first person to like unzip something. So here is the Architect. Oh, and it's felt tip. So that's dope. Let's go ahead and just try it on the waterline, see what it does. And so far, oh, I got a little bit on my eyeball. My bad. Yeah, that applies pretty good. Do a little wing. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's cool. I do see one little off hair that my camera unfortunately can't pick up on this. So this is definitely like an inkwell type felt tip pen. Seems like it'll be easy enough, which I'm here for. The next thing that I see here is another thing that I have actually been looking to get, which is a darker nude lip. This is NYX Lingerie. The color is Cabaret Show, and this is a liquid lipstick. So I'm assuming that this is a matte liquid lipstick, but we are about to find out. I should take that one towelette and wipe my gloss off with it, but I reckon I'll save it for actual makeup removal. Not that I ever really need heavy duty makeup removal wipes, because I'm typically just taking off like shadow and brow stuff. Again, shout out to this lipstick being packaged down. Let's see. Wow. Okay, here it is in all its glory. Let's see what it does. Ooh. Hey, nude. So this, yeah, is a nice nude. Hey, hey, nude. Hey, nude. Don't take it back. And it dries down quick. Hey, NYX. Hey, NYX, why get the lip kit when you can get this NYX? Yes. Ow. Okay. Yeah. Needless to say, I like this. This is so unfortunate that like Allure's canceled for me, because y'all got some good stuff. The next thing that I see in here is the Nubian by Juvia's. It's looks to be a pressed pigment and eyeshadow palette. They say this is cruelty free, designed and formulated in the US, manufactured in the PRC, and we all know what the PRC means, the People's Republic of China. So this was made overseas. Juvia's Place. I'm not familiar with Juvia's Place. Not familiar with them at all. The packaging is cute, you know. If you're into Egyptian stuff, that's a cute package. Let me open this guy up, and here's the palette. And a bunch of colors I already have. Lovely. These were like the colors of the moment. Let me show y'all some palettes from beauty boxes past, right? So this is the Nubian palette, right? This is the Protege palette from Suva Beauty that I'm about to open up. And again, you will see parallels, even in placement of shimmers, all that. So do you see how these two are comparable? Do you see how these two are kind of like come on. And then like, do all the beauty box brands get together and go, oh, what y'all doing in y'all's? Okay, we're gonna do the same thing. And then this one, it's even worse. Like, these four here, like, come on, they're all kind of the same, and I'm kind of over it. 3 different palettes, 3 different boxes, all very similar. I'm upset. That's lame. Like, I have enough copper shadow to last me through a couple nuclear holocausts. Like, that's not what's up. So yeah, am I excited to use this palette? No, not really, because I already have colors like that. The next thing in here is from Ofra, and this is the Everglow highlighter. Good packaging on the highlighter. She made sure she made it through. So that's the highlighter. Because I use my fan brush now for applying face masks, I reckon we can just put a little something on my shadow brush. Okay, then you got like a pearly color. And then the last one is, I guess that don't look like gold. Oh, yeah, I guess it kind of looks like gold. It seems like the only one that's going to work is this one, this bronzy, coppery color that they force on me. And I've already been highlighting with the copper eyeshadows from the other boxes, so it's kind of disappointing that that was in the box. Is there anything left here? No, that was it. So in this box, we had a highlighter, an eyeshadow palette, a single solitary moist towelette, cleansing wipe, makeup wipe. We also had the Ren Skincare Overnight Recovery Balm, and yeah, this stuff from Kadali, and oh yeah, and the NYX lip stuff. This was a really good box, but it is unfortunate that I got to be done with them because outside of the box being dope, they're disorganized as hell as a company, and it makes absolutely no sense to me. Y'all just arbitrarily send out your tracking numbers, and then, you know, I gotta get hip to make sure that I'm canceling. Like, it's just not a buyer's experience that I'm interested in, especially when there are other companies doing boxes as well. You're only going to see 2 Allure beauty box reviews on this channel. This one, which I'm assuming is the December box, and then the January box that I was forced to keep. Expect more of these beauty box videos next week when Ipsy and BoxyCharm and Birch, no, I think I canceled Birchbox. Did I cancel Birchbox? Which is unfortunate because I might go back. I might. I'm thinking about it. We'll see. I've been rotating between 3 boxes at a time, and then I was kind of like unhappy with some of the Birch boxes, but there's a part of me that's like, give them another go. So if you like these videos, if you like me unboxing things, please give it a thumbs up. I don't know, leave something in the comments section. If you have boxes that you would like for me to unbox, maybe outside of beauty, definitely let me know that down in the comment section below as well. I've been taking a look at a couple different self-care / staycation style, you know, make a day in a box sort of things. So that's something that I'm thinking about working on. And then as far as an update on Miss Lisa, I needed to get, you know, a legit table easel. I also needed to get a damn ring light, which is what's lighting us right now. I really liked the Mona Lisa video for what it was and the potential that it had. However, I wasn't happy with the lighting in the video. I wasn't happy with the sound in the video, and I just wanted the second part of it to be better. So I had to wait on Amazon to send me all this stuff. And yeah, I'm literally setting up the room, getting it together. I should have the second part up hopefully by Monday. I just want to make it so that it films the way that it needs to film, it sounds the way that it needs to sound. So yeah, I've been posting some talking videos and just other things, slowly prepping myself to finish this painting that I have every intention of finishing. And just so y'all know, I haven't gone ahead or anything on this. This is something that I still want to very much do on camera for y'all. If you're wondering where that video is, I'm working on it. I just wanted to get, you know, my home set up a little better so that moving forward, should I decide to do any more painting on the channel, that everything just looks good. So yeah, till next time, peace, positive people.